Okay, here we are again. We're feeding the birds. I've been taking a buttload of pictures, but we'll take some more video here. This is the third place I've been to that these type of birds, and I'm going to find out what type of birds these are now. And that they just absolutely love to be fed. And they're funny. These guys are great. Hey, come on. See, look at this. You don't care. You just on it for the ride. See, everybody jumps up there, and whoever's more in charge. Okay, hold on, dude. Let me find a little bit more. See, they just come up, land right on me. Pretty funny, actually. Ooh, they're getting all sorts of cocky and ornery now, huh? Come on. There it is. It's in the hole. They've just been landing up. They've been landing on my sleeves. Excuse me. They've been landing on my sleeves, up on my shoulder, on my legs, on my hat. This. So it just jumps right on him. Look at this. Yeah, they keep running off. Every once in a while they'll hear a warning sound. They'll all disappear for a minute. Inside, inside, inside. There you go, inside. And see, this one keeps running up here. Doesn't want to eat out of my hand. He wants to eat it out of the bag. See that? Hey. There you go. Better get you some. You little schmuck. These guys are great. Come on, who's next? There you go. Come on, guys, come get you some. These are all just wild birds. Pretty cool, actually. Just all over the place. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Oh, see, I was trying to show you the one on my shoulder. See, they just jump on there. They don't care. Hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. It's almost gone, guys. Okay. Just getting right up in there, look at that. Getting what they can. Come on, guys. This is it. After this, I gotta go. Say hi. Say hi, dude. Hi. Say hi. What is it? No, you're not gonna eat out of my mouth. Go away. I don't know if you just saw that or not, but he tried eating out of my mouth. You believe that crap? You believe that? That one's got some guts right there. That little dude right there, he's got some guts. Stuck his beak right between my lips. Here he comes again. Look at this. Look at this. What are you doing, dude? Huh? Some crazy birds. There's a little bit of stuff left there, guys, but not much, huh? I think you guys pretty much got it all. Okay. This is where I'm going to end the video. So, y'all have a good time. This guy just wanted to say goodbye. And this one. He wanted to say goodbye too. Go on. How about you? You want to say goodbye? Oh, you want to say goodbye too. Alright. Y'all have a good time. Bye, y'all. Bye.